including next week and up to the 10th, right? Our exam will be on the 9th. Backwards, we still have to hit 3. Okay? So, this one is for today's session only. And what I would want you to have a sample research for this particular video is look for a profiling of a particular sugar plantation or company in the Philippines, particularly in the Visayas, in Bukidnon or Mindanao. Okay? And we have Hacienda Luisita for Luzon and the rest of the sugarcane plantation in the country. If we can have some profiling of the laborers and the workers of the plantation. And we dig deeper. Anyway, we have AI already, we have a lot of sources already. You dig deeper into the conditions of the early workers of this sugar plantation company in the Philippines. Because the Dominican Republic has the same pattern of colonization with the Philippines. Let's try to look how we have been similar, maybe in the way that we treated or the plantation workers have been treated in the olden days. And then look also into the development with the consideration now of the human rights and the rest of the non-governmental organizations wherein they have come in for the rescue of those who are victims of child labor, slavery, and the rest of the abuses in the plantation. So yun ang mini-research ninyo ngayon. Okay. But you will have a final, what I call this, research actually. So your mini-research for the next meeting that you're supposed to submit as an offshoot of this film viewing will only be composing of outlines and bullets of the things that you have found out. Okay? Philippine setting pa lang yan siya. But if we have to go historical, we will not only consider one country. Right? We have to consider the global community. So, Philippines lang muna. And then later, we are going to expand that one so that we can have the historical research. Okay? So as of this time, finish. You still have 30 minutes of this video to watch. Finish the end of the video, what happened. And I will give you 3 questions plus the guidance. It will be uploaded in your GC. In the new ones, ha? Sige. I will not follow you. Okay, the mini research. I will give the extra template for how we are going to organize it in our GC. Okay? So, all you have to do is just to scout first the materials. And then, pwede nyo dadalhin dito sa Tuesday para we will create the outline and the rest of the things that yes, gagawin. But you should have your materials already. As much as possible, if you can bring with you your laptop or your tablets, or if you are at home with a phone. Okay? But no more downloading so that it will not take your time. See to it na meron na kayong mga PDF files na or naka-outline na siya para conception na lang talaga. Nakuha? So, that's all for today. Hindi yan siya kasi ang phone ko is Huawei and you know, we have a lot of intruders. Mga phone kasi na Huawei, hindi complete yung kanyang